Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hello if you're new. Thanks for subscribing if you've recently subscribed, and to all my lovely subscribers. So today we are going to be making some homemade fruit scones. So stick around and I will show you how I make them. Such a quick, easy recipe for you and the family or friends to enjoy. So today we are going to be making homemade scones, or scones as some people pronounce. So to do this is all the ingredients that you need. So we're going to start off by weighing out 450 grams of self-raising flour. So I've never made these before, so I thought I'd bring you along with me, see how they turn out. So the scales are back to 0. So now we are going to add in 50 grams of caster sugar. And then we are going to get 2 level teaspoons, so I'm going to use my little measuring spoon, of baking powder. And now I'm just going to give that a little shake around and mix all that in. So now I'm going to weigh out 100 grams of unsalted butter, and I am going to weigh this, I'm going to cut this into little cubes as I'm weighing it. So as you can see, we have 100 grams of cubed unsalted butter. So now I am going to get my dry mix and I'm going to add in the butter. Then I'm going to mix it in with my fingertips to make small breadcrumbs. So let's get dirty. So as you can see, our mixture is now like fine breadcrumbs. So we're going to pop that to the side, and then we are going to put 2 eggs into our jug. So that comes up to 100 grams. So we're going to add in some milk and we need to get it up to 300 grams. And then we're going to give this a quick little whisk. So you may not need all of this for your mixture. You just add a bit in at a time, mixing it round to make the dough. Make sure the eggs mixed in with the milk. So now that's all mixed in. With the same fork I used to mix the egg and the milk, I'm just going to pour a bit in. I'm just going to mix it round. So you're looking for a soft, sticky dough. So as you can see, here is my little dough ball now. So you can see we didn't use all of the milk and egg, so I'm going to put that to the side. So now I'm going to lightly flour my side. And then we are going to get our sultanas. Pepper on the side, and I'm just going to knead these into the dough. So as you can see, we have our dough ball, and you can see the sultanas in it. So now we are going to roll this out to 2 centimeters thick. So I have measured this and it comes up to the little lip bit there. That is your 2 centimeters. So let's get this rolled out then. I'm just going to go around and make sure that's the oven preheated at 200 degrees. So now we should just be able cut that in. And there is one scone cut out. So let's get some more cut out. So this is the leftover dough. So if you can see here, we have 6 scones ready to go into the oven. So with the rest of your milk and your egg, you can just give them a coat, help them go nice and golden whilst in the oven. Making sure you get the sides as well. So now I'm going to pop these in the oven. The oven has been preheating on 200 degrees Celsius, and we're going to pop these in for 12 to 15 minutes. So let's get these in, and then I'm going to roll the rest of this dough back up and see how many more we can make out of it. So guys, this is the result of our scones or scones. So altogether we made 10. So the back 4 are the ones that have just come out. So these ones has been resting for a while now. So what we're going to do is we're going to get one of our scones, and then we are going to cut it in half. There we go. So now I'm going to get some jam. I'm going to get some of our cream. So we've got clotted cream today. So we're going to pop this one on top. And there is your homemade scone. Quite a simple recipe. Don't have to spend loads of money on the ingredients. All of my ingredients are from Aldi, so it was cheap enough. Let's have a taste. That's really nice. Gonna be messy, but it's a quick, simple little treat for you and your friends or you and your family to enjoy. I'd highly recommend giving this recipe a go. If there is anything else that you'd like to see me make, please let me know down in the comments. Remember to hit that subscribe button, thumbs up, leave a comment. Don't have to be a lot, just say hi. It helps my channel grow. So guys, I'm going to enjoy these with a nice cup of tea, and I will see you on the next one.